What's up, everybody? Kingsley Breaks here. We just filled up 2018 Immaculate Collection Collegiate Football Hobby one box break. Random number block number 1. And we're going to give away a couple free packs at the end of the break. 10 total spots. We randomize the list of customer names and the numbers. Random number block break. So, just in case any of you guys don't know what this is, we will... every spot that gets a random number will get a random number. So including numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So as an example, if you get number 3, you will get all cards with 3 being the first number next to the dash on the left side of the dash. So for example, if the card is 13 of 99, that will be your card. 3 of 25, 43 of 49, 93 of 99, and so on. The number 3 block spot will get that card. And all redemption cards will go to spot 0. Even if it's a known number 1 of 1 redemption, it will still go to spot 0. So spot 0 gets a little extra bonus with the with any redemption. And all unnumbered cards will go to spot 0 as well in case there isn't any. And if any Panini points are pulled, I've seen there might be some Panini points in this break. We'll randomize that to the group of customers that are in the break. And then at the end of the break, customers that do go hitless will be in a separate randomizer, and top 3 will receive a pack each. So if there is less than 3 customers that were to receive nothing, then obviously you guys will get the packs. If there's more, then obviously we'll do an extra randomizer and see which top 3, anything like that. So 1 box, 6 cards. Good luck, guys. Here's a dice roller right there, and a list of numbers and the sheet. So, let's randomize it. We got a 6 or 3 and a 6, so 9 times on the list of customer names and the numbers. Good luck, guys. 9 times. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 9th and final time. After 9 times, you got a 9. John S. at the top, and Nathaniel is at the bottom. So there we go right there. Now let's go 9 times on the numbers. I know, right? Hitless demands a box of cup. That'd be crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9th and final time. After 9 times, we got a 9, 9, spot 0 at the top, 7 at the bottom. Let's get this a little bit bigger. And there we go. So John, you have spot 0. Nathan, last spot mojo with spot 6. Wheels, you have spot 3. Nathan with 4. Ben with 2. Colin with 8. Chris with spot 9. Brad, you have number 5. Ben gets spot 1, so any 1-of-1s, anything like that will be yours. And Nathaniel, you get spot 7. So, I'll give you guys a quick minute. I'm not sure if anybody wants to trade spot numbers, but I really doubt it. But just in case, I don't know. You guys might want to. I don't know if there's a lot of redemptions in this. It's just for the random number blocks, that's just how a lot of people have just given them to. I don't know. I haven't actually seen any breaks of this, so I don't think so. But that's just a little extra bonus for like spot 0. So yeah, I mean, usually in other products there could be a lot of them, but maybe not in this one as much. Yeah, I've seen photos online of nice cards being pulled, but I haven't seen a group break of this. So, all right, guys, I'm just gonna close the trade window then. I think everybody's just gonna stay what there is. All right. So, switch that. Oh, Betsy, he went to Breakers. So, that's probably why you haven't seen him chat. Alright, so there you go. Number block number 1. Nathan last but Mojo with number 6. And there's everybody else in the break. So here is the hobby. Immaculate Collegiate Football. Let's just rip it. Where's my knife? Yeah, he went to YouTube. he decided to join the YouTube gang. Left the Breaker gang. Alrighty. So, what I'll just quickly do is just number these boxes. Right here on the little white. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's just quickly. Yeah, it was actually my internet. It wasn't Breakers, but yeah, it messed up YouTube too. That's okay. Let's quickly just see which box number will be generated in this break. Box 1 is generated, so we'll be doing the top box right here, box 1. And the next 1 box break is already in the store. Alrighty. Ooh, I like this. I like this box color. I'm gonna keep one of these. Kind of reminds me of that little eagle green. Alright. Flip that over. And we'll just keep it a little concealed. Alright, so the first one is an Alabama. Derrick Henry. 25 of 99. So spot 5 with this base to start off. Spot 5 going to Brad Cook. So there you go. Spot 5. Next one, we have a little quad. That is Deshaun Watson, Christian McCaffrey, Baker Mayfield, and Derrick Henry, and that is spot 7. 47 of 99. Kind of hard to see that, but let me focus this really quick. There you go. There's spot 7 right there. So you guys can see it. Alrighty. So spot 7 is going to Nathaniel. I know, right? SEC. Next one. We have a thick one. It's a glove. Mike White. That is 10 of 44. Quarterback. Thick one. So 10, spot 0. Going to John S. That'll be a little thicker one. We'll have to put in a slider box. So we'll put that to the side over here. Put that in the slider box. Next one we got coming up is a John Rosen out of UCLA. That is spot 8. Looks like an 8. 18 of 25. 8 going to Colin Matoy. That's a nice one right there. So there you go, Colin. You like John Rosen? Oh yeah, he's with the other team right there. I forget, the Cardinals, right? And we got Auden Tate. That is spot 9, 29 of 99. Spot 9 going to Chris. Nice little patch right there. There you go. And look at this. Josh Adams, 44 of 49, spot 4. Going to Nathan. Who is this one? This is a... I forget. Panini, or they don't have the license to this, so that's why they don't say it. But this is Notre Dame, right? No? Nathan with spot 4. Well, there you go, Nathan. There's your love. Right when you said no love. Spot 4 going to Nathan Jackson. Nice little patch right there. So, hey, you guys got a little bonus card. It's supposed to be 6 cards a pack, but look at this. 7th card. And the last one is John Kelly, and that's 34 of 99. And Nathan with spot 4. Man, Nathan, you need to complain about no love for the randomizers more often. There you go. 34 of 99. Spot 4 going to Nathan. Gets the last 2 spots right there. And there you go, guys. That was the break. So let's see who actually hit something really quick. So spot 2 was Ben, or spot 5, sorry. That was Brad. 7 hit. Let me make sure. 5, 7, 4 hits. 9. We got 5 again. And what this was 0. Alright, so JCB just 1, 2, 4, 5. Alright. Alright. Yes, I was gonna say they don't have the license to that. Alright, so a couple teams didn't, a couple numbers didn't hit. So what we'll do is we'll do 6, 3, 2. Oh, actually, did 8 hit? I think 8 did hit. What about that? Colin Toy 8 did hit. So we'll just go to the numbers that didn't hit. 6, 3, 2, and 1. Or that, wait, that's only 3 of them, right? Oh, that's 4. 4 numbers. We'll randomize that. Top 3 will get a pack. Hold up really quick, guys. Josh Adams is an Eagle? I did not even know that, dude, to be honest. Josh Adams, that doesn't sound familiar to me. He must not be a crazy player. I'm not sure. Alright, so 6, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, top 3 will win a pack of Score Football. 2, 3. So top 3, roll it 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. 3 times. Spot 3, 2, and 6. So spot 3, Wheels. Get yourself a free pack. Spot 6, or spot 2, is Ben. And spot 3 is, or 6 is Nathan. So there you go, top 3. Get yourself a free pack right there. So there you go, guys. Kings Elite. We'll do another one of these if you guys want to. Some really nice stuff. See ya.